Hello, everyone, and welcome to the YouTube channel of Keyapp, the platform that helps your applications to achieve top positions in the search on Google Play and App Store. And today we are going to discuss the real case study of promotion of fitness application that could fail, but we did everything possible to make this promotion successful. Working with the promotion of mobile apps and working with marketing in general, that's always needed to be ready to the fact that sometimes things can go wrong and that's needed to react fast and efficiently. And in this case study, we would like to show the example how massive success turn into nightmare and how in general to turn this nightmare into a win, what is more importantly. So we are going to discuss the promotion of fitness application held on our platform. One of our clients decided to launch AI-powered fitness application, and we need to understand that this niche is extremely competitive and there are so many apps in the search list on Google Play for the main keywords. And of course, working with such niches, usually you compete with the biggest players. But despite this fact, this shows also that there are a lot of organic users that can be attracted to the application, and in general, we can compete for top position for a lot of different search requests. So before the promotion, we built a plan, and of course the first step for us was that client optimizes the application, so the metadata of the application, both text and visual. Text metadata is optimized with the aim to get the indexation into the search list, so to be able to continue with the keyword promotion. And visual optimization influences already the conversion rate. After this, we planned to start with the promotion of the keywords of low and middle competitiveness. Despite the competitiveness and popularity level, even such keywords can bring organic traffic, especially in competitive niches. And working with such search requests, you can achieve top positions really fast and attract some first users to the application. And at the same time, we decided to work with paid user acquisition from CPI campaigns, so to be able to speed up the indexation process and to help the keyword promotion so the ranks are increased faster. As for Google Play, that's important to see that the application is in demand when they decide if the app can be indexed and can occupy top positions or not. So after the optimization of text metadata, we received really great results. So we started noticing some keywords into the index, and what's more important, these keywords were relevant and we could take them to their promotion. So we chosen the keywords and we started the keyword promotion campaign at the same time running CPI campaign, so to attract the users to the application. And actually, the most important keywords we worked with were personal trainer app, the start position is 67, workout planner free we started with 45, and fitness AI trainer we started with 89. So while the promotion was active, we started noticing the increase in the ranks, and actually the traffic to the application really increased. So we were on fire, everything was successful, and we started achieving really great results. But here the problem started. The application crashed. Like, users could download the application from the store, but they couldn't sign up, log into the application. It crashed over and over again due to the massive number of traffic, and that was really a problem because we first of all started noticing the decrease of the application rating. Like, the rating decreased to 3.6, and that's really bad for such competitive niche. And then we already started noticing the decrease of the ranks of the rank that were already achieved using the keyword promotion. And that's why we understand that it's needed to fix all the issues really fast. So we worked closely with the development team of our client, and they really fixed the problem. They tested everything so to be finally sure that the application will work correctly and we can continue the promotion. First of all, we didn't start the keyword promotion, and we started to fix the application rating so to achieve at least 4.0 to be able to start the promotion, because the rating influences both the conversion rates and the success of keyword promotion. As for Google, all these metrics are really important. And only after we fixed the rating, we started the keyword promotion. Actually, from the very beginning, the application crashed and the ranks were going down. So we started the promotion of the same keywords. We chose the same core keywords like personal trainer app, workout planner free, and fitness AI trainer. And as a result, after the crash, after all the fixes, we managed to achieve top 10 positions for all the keywords, like personal trainer app achieved top 3, workout planner free top 1, and fitness AI trainer top 8. Although the first aim was to achieve at least top 15 for all of these keywords. At the same time, when the application started to get new users, the rating started to increase as well. And of course, starting the main keywords, we also received the increase of the core keywords, relevant keywords for this application, although there were not the main ones in this promotional set. So what we can do with this example, which conclusions we can make? First of all, that's always needed to check the application infrastructure before you start the promotion. That's needed to test everything so to be sure that the application won't crash when you achieve top positions and when the application is already ready to attract organic users. At the same time, that's needed to be ready to all the issues, to all the problems that can appear when the application starts to get a lot of users. And of course, that's needed to be ready to react fast, efficiently, and remember that actually users can forgive massive issues if you react fast and reply to all their requests. So as you can see, we really turned the nightmare into a success. And for now, the application is successful. It attracts organic users. And actually, the rating and ranks are really high. So if you want to achieve the same results, or if you face any issues working with mobile apps promotion, do not hesitate to contact our team or your personal manager. We will be ready to create the promotion strategy for your application so to achieve the best results. As you can see that even in difficult situations, that's always possible to find the solution and to get top positions in the search for keywords in different regions, in different niches. So just contact our support team or your personal manager and we'll be happy to assist.